Hey everybody, it's John Bucher with Lifetime Quality Roofing. I'm out here in Dayton, Ohio with one of my clients, Larry. We recently replaced his roof. And Larry, I know we worked on this last year, got this all done for you, but what was your experience like working with Lifetime Quality Roofing?
It was very positive, John. You guys showed up the day after the storm.
I remember.
And I really just invited you in, and to navigate this whole thing with insurance and everything is confusing and a lengthy process. So I was glad that Lifetime showed up, even though you're from Columbus. That didn't appear to be an issue.
No, not at all, not at all. And what were we able to do for you with working through the process of dealing with your storm damaged roof?
Well, first of all, when the adjuster came from the insurance company, you showed up as well. And that probably got the roof bought because it was marginal whether it was going to be bought. So that was a big plus that you showed up. They act like they're not going to be influenced, but they are. They're influenced by another opinion, another perspective, and I didn't have the expertise to do it.
Awesome. Yeah, I was glad I was able to be there and meet with him to get that taken care of. In your estimation, about how much do you think we were able to save you by going the insurance route as opposed to paying out of pocket to replace your roof?
Well, to replace the roof would have probably been $17,000 or $18,000. It ended up costing us just over $2,000. So I have to say $15,000 to $17,000.
Can't beat that.
Savings.
Can't beat that.
Nope.
And what do you think about your new roof? I know we also did the solar on the back after we got that replaced as well.
We had good experiences both with Lifetime Quality and with your solar company, sister company. Technically, there was no issues. We liked the color, and we had to work through the color. We had just had the roof painted. I mean, the house painted, and so we just wanted to make sure we had a good match. I think it turned out pretty good.
I think so too.
And especially compared to, we had a bluish paint before, and I just think the house looks better. The value is up, and we were going to have to replace the roof within 5 to 7 years regardless.
Yeah.
So this came at a great time.
That storm was the impetus to make that happen for sure.
Yes.
So Larry, after all your experience with myself and with Lifetime Quality Roofing as a whole, Lifetime Quality Solar, would you recommend us to friends, family, or neighbors if they were in the market for a new roof or solar?
I definitely would recommend them. From the very beginning, the salespeople are excellent, which it means a lot to me because I need that communication and that understanding. Then the technical side, Lifetime knows what they're doing, all the way through accounting at the end. I mean, the person in their accounting department was very professional, worked well, explained all the questions on the final bill, and from beginning to end, it was an excellent experience, and I would recommend using Lifetime Quality.
Fantastic, fantastic. Well, it was a pleasure to serve you and help you out through
Thank you,
all of
John.
this. If you're out in the market looking for a roof replacement, or maybe you had a storm come through, or maybe you're interested in getting solar added to your property, reach out to the local Lifetime Quality Roofing department nearest you, and we'd be happy to help you out.